So today we are going to run a new electrical line to that pool filter. Backstory, the house burned down a few years ago. They ended up ripping out the electrical for that, obviously, when they rebuilt the house. So we're going to put in a new line and bury it in the ground here, right over to that outlet box there. So throw it on a time lapse. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Helps grow the channel. And yeah, let's get into it. So we are back. We are going to be switching that out because this is what running an extension cord did, because nobody wanted to listen to me. And we got the siding pulled, so we're going to come behind the siding. Down here I got some conduit pipe to go there. We got our 6-inch trench dug. Now if you're going to do this, you have to make sure that it is outdoor wire. So I'm only using a 12-2 because that only pulls about 8 amps and this is 20 amp wire. If you were doing a longer run with a bigger than a 3 horsepower pump, you would probably definitely want to use a 10-2, but for my application this is going to be just fine. So we're going to get you set back up and we're going to time lapse this getting done, this part, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to do some more talking. Alright, I just got to bring you in for a minute. So, blue is rated for basements and water and outdoor use. Black is not. Look at how this thing melted. Like, are you kidding me? And then to top it all off, here's the wire stripping gauge, right? It's on the back of every outlet. Like, really? It's like twice as long. The guy that built this house was a total piece of crap, and all the people that he used, like, the whole thing was just a nightmare. Alright, so we took the big box off of it, put one of these seals on it, new outlet, ran it over to here, down the channel, through the pipe. We got the hole filled back in. Now we're going to set a pressure treated 2x6 out here behind the filter. That's what we're going to attach our box to. Just for context, I didn't put a 2x4 or red tape on top of this, and the reason being is because this is where the dogs I should say, go to the bathroom now. The house burned down. We don't have the invisible fence anymore, and my mom's older, so it's just easier for her to let the dogs out here instead of chasing them around the yard. So this is all going to get killed, and then there's going to be I'm going to put down landscape fabric, and I'm going to paint the landscape fabric along where the wire is, and we're going to put a layer of rock down, and I'm just going to make sure that I mark it so that anybody that comes digging here will know it's there. But honestly, the pool's not going to be around that much longer, and this will get ripped out of here before the house gets sold or anybody digs here. So it's perfectly fine if you're doing it for yourself. There's nothing wrong with what I just did. So I know all the YouTube electricians are going to hop on here and be like, oh, you shouldn't have done that, illegal. It's not. So yeah, that's what we are doing. As of right now, we are going to finish getting all this stomped down and get that pole set, get the box put in, and get the electric turned back on. So we'll bring you back when we are ready to fire her up. Alright, we got the electric run, we got the pole set. This isn't the final spot for the filter. I gotta get all this cut down, and then we're gonna get this like stoned down in here. We're gonna kind of, you know, clean this up. It used to be mulched all the way around, but obviously after 5 years it's all kind of grown in. So we're gonna probably end up pull this apart, level this off over here, probably set this on stones, kind of push it towards the pool and over a little bit. But yeah, so we're gonna go get the electric fired up, see if this fires up, get that board cut down, and then we are good to go. So we'll bring you back when we're ready. All right, the electric's back on, nothing's smoking. Let's plug this in over here for the test this, obviously, first of all, as well as use it for the saw. Let me see here. Let's see what's happening. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's try that again. Perfect. Perfect. running with electricity now. Top over here. Let me tell you what, I hate these tamper-proof, stupid outlets, the dumbest things. When we were kids, you got electrocuted and you learned your lesson. All right, y'all. Turn my screen on so I can see here. Like I said, we gotta get this leveled off, but for right now, just set that up over there like that so the guy doing the lawn doesn't catch it. And yeah, there we go. Filter's running. We got it buried. Now we'll see if we can run a saw and the filter at the same time. We'll bring you over here like a saw. Still in the shot? Okay. And we're doing this for Mom, so I don't have a speed square. We're just gonna do it by the balls of your eye. Honestly, it's because I forgot my speed square, so we're just going to kind of eyeball it for now, and then once I do the filter move and everything, I will bring over a speed square and put a straighter edge on it, but it should be pretty good. Should be okay. We're going to cut it kind of high. I would say that's pretty damn straight. So there you go, finished product. Start to finish, we now have electric out at the pump, no extension cord, cord's buried. Like I said, we're going to be putting new stone down in here, leveling that out, so we should be good to go. I appreciate you coming along and watching. If you wouldn't mind, like I said in the beginning, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks.